Hello students, this is Vinod from Endurance Engineering Academy. See, it is October end. We are at the start of November, and I believe most of the students will be under some confusion. A confusion regarding your GATE exam preparation. At least few students. Of course, few students will be having a good amount of experience, so they would have They would have escaped from this. But few students will be still under some confusion. What is that confusion? The confusion of forgetting the things which we already learnt. What does it mean by that, sir? See, suppose if you are starting your preparation in the month of April or May, and it is October, you would have completed minimum 6 to 7 subjects or 7, 8 subjects. Few of them who started little bit late, maybe June or July, they would have completed 4, 5 subjects. Whatever may be the number of subjects, but in your mind, if you go back to the first subject which you learned, you would have forgot almost everything. Okay, that is a problem which most of the students are facing. And in this video, I'm just going to discuss about one practical solution which needs to be taken care of. Actually, it should have been done from the before months itself. For example, it should have been done from June, July itself. If you have not done during that period, June, July, at least it is not late. Start as soon as possible. What is that? First, let me give you one fact. See, this one, okay, this one, the color, the dotted one, okay, I will highlight it. This dotted one, this dotted line is there, right? This is the curve which shows the forgetting nature. What does it mean by that? For example, today, okay, day 0, you learned, one second, let me use another color. You learned some topic, okay, I will use maybe green. You learned some topic day 1. You learned some topic, you take any topic as you want, because it is common for all the department, it is not specified for any department. Take any topic as you wish. You learned some topic and you just learned it, thrown the book away. You never revised it. Okay, then what will happen? After 10 days, you will remember only 60% of what you learned. Actually, it is even less, okay, to be honest. It is some theoretical study, but still it will be further less. After 20 days, okay, it is chance of remembrance. After 20 days, you could see it is around 30%. After 30 days, you will remember only 20%. So, if you study 10 things, you will remember only 2. After 60 days, it is almost 0. What does it mean? If you learn something today, after 2 months, you won't remember anything. If you learn some concept today, after 2 months, you won't remember anything. If you don't touch it again, that is an issue. Okay, so this is the curve which you guys are falling under now. Okay, this is the curve which you guys are falling under now. So what is my recommendation? Not my recommendation, it is a common thing which all the GATE aspirants should do. What is that? You guys already know, I guess so. Okay, that is following following spaced repetition, or it is also periodic revision. What does it mean, sir? It is very, very, very simple. You need to be in touch with the subject, and it's very simple. It is similar like Newton's third law. If there is some action, there will be an equal and opposite reaction, right? If you don't give respect to the subject which you learned, if you don't give respect to the concepts which you learned, it won't give the respect back. So, if you learn something and if you forget about that, that means if you learn something but you are not going back to that subject, then you will never able to completely learn the subject, you will never able to completely memorize and keep it in your mind. Okay, that is what it is. So, what you should do, there is a pattern, as you could see. This is the 0th day, okay, this is the 10th day. Between 0 and 10, you need to do a first reminder. What are the subject you have learned? You have to revise it. What are the topic you have learned? You have to revise it. If you do first reminder, okay, if you do first reminder and after first reminder if you leave, okay, after first reminder if you leave, still you have a possibility of remembering 40% after 60 days. See, these are chances, probability, everything is probability, nothing is deterministic, all are probability, okay. So, if you do a first reminder between 0 and 10 days, then there is a probability for you to remember around 40% after 60 days, but that is not what you want. You need to remember all the 100%, right? So, what you should do the first reminder between 0 and 10. Again, do a second reminder in 10th day, okay. As you could see, I have do a second reminder in 10th day. Second reminder means revision, second revision, the same topic which you learned first day. Okay, same topic which you learned first day, you need to do a second reminder in 10th day. If you do second reminder and if you leave, still you will have a possibility of remembering 80%, but you need to understand it's a theoretical data, you will forget. It is not going to be 80%, you will remember even less, 50 or 60% only you will remember if you do only 2 reminders, 2 revisions. So, third reminder again you need to do, they have given 30 days, but as per GATE as concerned, I will suggest you to do a third reminder here in 20 day, okay, in third reminder, and in 30 day I will ask you to do fourth reminder, okay, and fifth reminder maybe you can give some 15 days or 20 days gap, so that you need to do fifth reminder, that should be done between 40 and 50. This will make sure, so what you are doing, you learnt one topic, but you have done 5 reminders of the topic, you have revised 5 times the same topic. This will make sure that you are remembering permanently. See, but still I will, for GATE as concerned, 5 reminders are not enough, okay. 50th day, right? After that, again take a gap of 15-20 days, do a 6th reminder. Again take a gap of 15-20 days, do a 7th reminder. So, keep that 15-20 days fixed, and every 15-20 days you need to keep revising the same topic which you studied here. That is what spaced repetition or periodic revision. Now, you might have a doubt here, sir, how can I revise? For example, if I study one subject, engineering mathematics, how can I revise engineering mathematics, a full subject? I have 200 pages of notes. How can I revise fully? See, for that you need to make short notes. Okay, I have already made a video on short notes. I will try to attach the link in the description. Okay, you can just go through it. Okay, so short notes is something, even I will attach you from A to Z for your GATE exam, what you need to do, that I will attach you can go through that, okay. So, that will give you an idea, okay, so what is short notes, what is periodic revision, etc. Right. So, if you are in this situation, if you are in a situation where you have learnt many things, but nothing is stored in your mind, you forgot everything from your mind, then you are not doing this periodical revision or the spaced repetition correctly. You need to understand the science behind it. I am not asking you to do randomly. It is a science. I am showing you the research paper which actually explains you theoretically. Of course, theoretically. See, in fact, you need to understand one thing. Is theoretically, practically the values will be still lesser. Practically, after 10 days, you will forget. You will remember only 30%. Okay, if you don't revise, you will remember only 30%. Theoretically, research, it is showing 60, but practically you will remember only 30 if you learn something and if you leave for next 10 days. That is an issue. Okay, so make sure that you are not falling in this curve. Try to shift the curve to this. Okay, I hope it is fine. So, this comes to a conclusion of our videos. I hope this video will help you in your preparation for the next 3 months. Okay, thank you.